workers in an illicit liquefied petroleum gas refilling station in Batangas are in police custody after a raid by the CIDG operatives, who also seized hundreds of gas tanks and propane refilling equipment worth close to 8 million pesos. The owners of the illegal refilling station are still at large, even as law authorities mull the filing of trade infringement and unfair competition charges under Republic Act 8293. As we hear more from our Ryan Lesigas.
The Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or PNP-CIDG, raided this illegal liquefied petroleum gas refilling station in San Jose, Batangas. According to CIDG spokesperson Police Major Helen de la Cruz, the operation was conducted after the CIDG received complaints from legitimate owners of LPG cylinders that were being illegally refilled by the suspects. 3 individuals were caught in the act of illegally refilling LPG tanks. At the site, authorities found around 200 empty LPG cylinders, a refilling machine, a compressor, and another equipment used for cross-refilling. Also found in the area was a trailer bullet truck containing about 38,000 liters of LPG. The confiscated equipment used for cross-refilling was valued at around 7.8 million pesos.
Ang danger po kasi dito, bakit sila nahuli is because cross-field po, nagko-cross-field sila without the alleged unauthorized cross-filling of LPG cylinders without a license to operate from the Department of Energy. So, if there is no license to operate, wala pong, hindi po natin nare-regulate. So, yung ano po, yung danger sa public safety ay maaaring magkaroon dahil po hindi regulated itong yung mga cylinders.
In addition to the arrested personnel, the CIDG is now pursuing the owner of the illegal refilling station.
Ang cross-refilling is, example sir, is ang tangke mo ay A, kino-cross-refill, ako si cross-refiller, ako si refiller. So, hindi siya authorized na mag-refill sa tangke ng isang brand. So, kanya yung LPG product from his station, from his equipment, pero pinapasok niya, nire-refill niya sa ibang mga tangke.
The 3 arrested suspects are now facing multiple charges.
Violation po ng RA 5700, 570, 5700, ito yung unlawful use, possession of cylinders, and Section 153 of our Republic Act 8293. Ito yung Section 153 is the trademark infringement, and Section 168, unfair competition of the RA 8293, the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, because na-violate po yung kanilang trademark.
The CIDG reminded the public not to patronize illegal LPG refilling stations that offer cheaper prices, as this may lead to accidents and is quite precarious. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.